This is 280 ml Fresa Flint 28 soda bottle. It has a 28 neck on it. It is an ideal bottle for packing squashes, syrups, and any other beverages that you want. There is a symbol of quality H. This bottle is known as 250 ml Fresa Flint 28 bottle.